Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on adventure with the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-50. This isn't your average compact SUV, it's designed for those who crave a blend of rugged capability and undeniable style. Exterior. First up, let's talk about that head-turning exterior. The CX-50 boasts a lower, wider stance compared to its sibling, the CX-5. It maintains the signature Mazda grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, but key features like black cladding and a more prominent grille design give it a bolder, more adventurous presence. Let's not forget the ground clearance. It's slightly higher than the CX-5, hinting at the CX-50's off-road prowess. Speaking of off-roading, those available 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires are ready to tackle any trail you throw their way. Interior now, let's hop inside. The CX-50's interior is all about comfort and functionality. The cabin features high-quality materials with your choice of black or rich terracotta color scheme available on select trims. The focus is on driver engagement, with a clean layout and easy-to-reach controls. One of the biggest upgrades for 2024 is the standard inclusion of a wireless charger and Bose speakers on premium trims and above. There's also a panoramic sunroof available, a first for Mazda SUVs, bringing the outdoors in. The CX-50 offers two engine options, a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine and a turbocharged 2.5-liter option on higher trims. Both engines pair with all-wheel drive as standard, giving you confidence on any road. The turbocharged engine is the real powerhouse, boasting 256 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful options in the compact SUV segment. But it's not just about muscle. The CX-50 is engineered for a smooth and engaging driving experience. The 2024 Mazda CX-50 is the perfect companion for those who crave adventure. Whether you're weekend warriors hitting the trails or young families seeking a stylish and capable SUV for everyday life, the CX-50 has something to offer. So, if you're looking for an SUV that blends capability with undeniable Mazda style, the 2024 CX-50 deserves a closer look. It's a fantastic option for those who want to explore the unbeaten path without sacrificing comfort or performance. This exploration of the CX-50. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.